Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is a notebook. It is an Phi-Phonics 14-inch Ultrabook laptop with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of SSD, for example, because there are a lot of different devices on the market of this brand. We have to choose from 8GB plus 128GB SSD power in rosy gold, or you use the 8 plus 128GB SSD in silver, or the 512GB SSD with 8GB of RAM, or the 960GB of SSD and 8GB of RAM, 960GB maximum SSD in silver or rosy gold. In this case here you can see the rosy gold model, but of course it's the same specs like in the silver model too. We have a full HD display with a resolution of 1920 to 1080 pixels. Because this Windows 11 laptop is optimized for an ultra-thin frame design and has an impressive screen-to-housing ratio of 92%. In addition, the laptop can be opened and closed 180 degrees and adjusted depending on the viewing angle until it feels for us comfortable. We enjoy smooth video playback and superior visual clarity. We have a high performance and a large memory size. Because it's equipped with a powerful Celeron N4120 processor. This is a central processing unit, up to 2.6 GHz. This laptop is designed for seamless processing of multiple websites and applications simultaneously. This increases the efficiency and productivity. This also supports a 512GB TF, so microSD card extension for faster response and plenty of storage space. And the pre-installed Windows 11 by Microsoft and Office software such as Office 2019 are pre-installed on the 14-inch laptop, which makes it perfect as a work partner. It's not just designed for professional purpose. It also manages entertainment applications effectively. This providing a truly balanced mix of work and leisure. Yeah, you see, it works with connected to the AC power supply, or it is disconnected and you can use it with a battery. Really cool. And energy saving. The lightweighted and the bearable with an extended battery life comes this ultra slim notebook. This weighs only 2.7 pounds and it is only 0.58 inches thick. We can wear it anywhere and anytime without so feeling heavy. While using a high quality battery, the average runtime is 5 up to 8 hours. That's a good value. And we have a multifunctional connectors, because this notebook is equipped with a set of ports to meet the different user scenarios. It contains a charging port, DC 3.5mm. This is the same dimension like the headphone jack, so take care. You have to plug in the AC adapter on the left side of the laptop, and you can dock the headset, for example, on the right side of the notebook. We have more 12 volt, 3 ampere, USB ports, 3.0, 2 times, right and left, headphone jack, 3.5mm, one Mini-HDMI for external TFT, for example, or for a game console or something else. And we have a micro SD card slot. So, you see, this laptop here is nice and it makes a good job because we have here 14.1 inches FHD laptop with a bright view. With its minimalist design and newly improved slim texture body, this 14 inches laptop is ideal portable laptop for us. We have a full-size keyboard, a 40.1 IPS 1920x1080 pixels resolution. We have SSD built in, Windows 11, a Celeron N4120 chip, and it's only 1.25 kilogram. This cute pink or rosy gold laptop with Windows 11 Pro has a stylish look and carefully designed case that is fully of appeal, with an opening and a closing angle of the 180 degrees, a narrow bezel and an impressive screen-to-body ratio of 92%. It offers an unparalleled visual experience. This makes users proud and allows them to show their own personality and taste. Nice color. Yeah. For example, we can add an external DVD drive. No problem, because it comes with a wide compatibility. If we have a DVD drive, we can connect it to the DVD drive and insert a DVD. We can then, or a Blu-ray, we use the appropriated software for a player and playback. And multifunctional interfaces equipped with 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, DX1, USB, Type-C, X1, and HDMI and TF card interface. This allows us to easily connect a range of devices and peripherals to achieve a flexible and effective working environment. And a strong battery. Yeah. With a large battery capacity, it brings us through the day, working or entertainment. And music on different levels. Music in a multi-stage art form that contains the rich music elements and emotional expression is possible. And we have a built-in camera. The webcam enables remote video calls and meetings, for example. And a better visibility. The smooth 180 degrees rotations gives us the better visibility with this nice laptop here, 40.1 inches. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.